here we are at Best Jet in East Northport. They have a three-way Tomra, and I happen to have all three materials. And I don't believe anybody's ever documented that, so here we go. We're going to do cans and plastic intermittently and save the glass for last. As you notice, it's opening in that direction for the can, but if I put a plastic bottle in, it's going to go that way. I got to save that one for later. Now I put a can in, so go the other way. And someone almost caused an accident in the parking lot. Stupid bitch. Last can. Let me see if it takes this weird thing. Can't see the barcode. Oh, there it goes. I was feeling the shredder was going to have a little trouble with that one. Oh, wait. What happened? What's it doing? Oh, the shredder, I think, just had to reset itself because it was that horrible in there. This one's kind of slow. For a T-63. Now the interesting thing is what it does for glass. Watch. It goes on over there. It puts a little bridge in the can slot. Watch. And last but not least, can't see it. I gotta load it the other way. Now all my bottles are on one receipt, which happens to have Accudine, but they don't seem to use it here. And that's it.